following video is a 2003 VF-3B HAAS vertical machining center. This machine has a 2-speed gearbox, 10,000 RPM machine. We're going to first run the axes and then we'll show the spindle. So your x-axis. Now your Y. Your Z. Show a tool change. We'll start out at 500 RPM in low gear. Spindle shifts. You're in low range, 500 RPM. Next we'll go to 1500 RPM, still in low range. Next we'll go up to 2500 RPM where it will shift gears. It shifted, now you're in high range. We'll go to 5,000 RPM. Next will be 7,500. And lastly, we top speed the spindle, which is 10,000 RPM. 10,000 RPM. Again, the preceding video is a HAAS VF-3 2003 vertical machining center.